So if you got a 2015 to probably 18 or 19 GMC Sierra, not really sure. It's a starter. It's up under here in the usual place, but these plugs apparently go bad, or people break the clip on them. Right there, it's a little red clip, and these get broke. So if you find yourself in that situation, GM actually has one that you can order. It's right here, new clip and everything. You just gotta cut it and splice and put the connector on. Comes with the connector and everything. I'll put the part number in the description, but this will leave you on the side of the road if you don't know what it is. You think your starter's going bad, and sometimes it's just this little stupid plug. I hope this helps somebody. Thanks for watching. So I finished up the job. It's working like it's supposed to. I'll show you how to get to the starter on the passenger side here. You can kind of get in here. The plug is in here. It's kind of hard to see, so I can get the camera up in here. Straight ahead in there. Right when I'm pointing all the way far back. No way to get in there really good. There's a heat shield covering it. Anyway, you can get in there, push on the wire, push on the plug, and see if it'll crank up, and then you know what your problem is. But I did it from the bottom of the vehicle. Wasn't too bad a job, but it worked out.